Hi everybody and welcome back to Office Fluent. My name is Jan and today is another episode of the series Excel from Basics to Expert. And today we're going a little bit more into the advanced options, and as you may already see, this is not Excel Online but the Excel 2021 edition, which is actually needed for advanced filtering. So let's dive right in and take a look what advanced filters is all about. So first of all, you can see I have my table here with my shoe shop, with my locations, the quarters, articles, amount, revenue, and profit. And now I do have a question. And the question is, I want to know when, for which situations, the profit for whatever is sold was bigger than 2,000 euro in Berlin. So by using the normal filtering option, we can just go ahead, select this table, go on sort and filter, click filter, and then we can sort location for just Berlin. And we can sort profit, we can make a numbers filter greater than 2000, and we can see we have the lady shoes in the first, second, and third quarter. Awesome. And what we can also see is that here on the left, the lines that are not filtered have been just reduced. So we can see line 122 to 24 and then line 122 onwards. Let's get rid of these filters again. Clear and unfilter. And now I want to show you the advanced filtering. What we can also do is we can go into the data tab. And here we have the sort and filter in a little bit bigger. We have here the normal filter option and we have here the advanced filters. Before we can use the advanced filters, we need to first set our filters. So let me just put in here location and profit. These are the things we want to filter for. And we write Berlin in the location and bigger than 2000 in the profit. These are the filters we want to set, right? So let's click on advanced filters here in the top. Now I'm getting asked a few questions. The first is, do I want to filter the list in place or do I want to copy it to another location? I will copy it to another location and I will just show you why. Now I have my list range, which is already set. You can see the corner, the border here. But I can also click here and then select everything I needed. Then I have the criteria range. And this criteria range is the filters we set. And I can just mark it here. And last but not least, it wants to know where to copy to. And I know these are 6 columns, so I need to select 6 other columns like this, and then click OK. And you can see we have our results here. Berlin, first to third quarter, ladies' shoes, and the profit is over 2000. If I filtered this in place, we would have gotten the exactly same situation like we had in the normal filters. But this way, with copying it at another position, we're not minimizing or not showing some lines, but we're just bringing the results of the filtering to another location. And of course, you can also define a different worksheet at another location instead of the same worksheet. You can also have the filter options like location and profit at another place. And you can make advanced filterings with different sets on criteria to different other worksheets, so you have all of this sorted out. So when is this useful? This is especially useful if it gets a little more complex. At the moment we have 2 very easy filters. I can set them very easily in our table. But what if we didn't have like 2 filters, but 30? And what if I wanted to see these filters in different tabs, for example, for a presentation? Then these advanced filterings are really useful, but you need to be aware that these are not dynamically updated. So if I go ahead and take a look here at Berlin, and we have our 2000 here, and let's change this to 1200, it stays here. With a normal filtering, if I changed one of the original files, it would get rid of this filter or place this filter into the system. Not with the advanced filtering, because it's an actual copy. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I have for today. Have fun and write me down into the comments when you wanted to use an advanced filtering instead of the normal filtering, or if you say this isn't worth it at all. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Please like this video if you liked it, or don't if you didn't. Please subscribe for more, and we'll see each other next week. Bye.